Hi, today we're going to look at solving base E equations. Like solving any equation, our ultimate goal is to get the variable alone. Our variable here happens to be up in the exponent. That's fine. We're going to use our basic inverse operation, starting with the adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing first, and then we'll see where we go from there. So again, we've got minus 12. Let's add 12 to both sides. Things cancel. We get 27. We now have multiplication, so we divide, cancel, e to the 4x equals 9. Okay, that was the easy part. Now, what comes next? How do I bring the exponent down? Well, the inverse for that e is that natural log. We're going to say ln. When I do that, these cancel out. But because we're dealing with an equation, what I do to the one side, I have to do to the other side. So if I multiply the left side by natural log, I got to do it on the right side. Exponent comes down, and I'm left with ln of 9. Now, inverse operation to get that x alone, we divide both sides by 4. X equals ln of that. Now, what do we get there? This is calculator activity now. So you punch in ln of 9 in your calculator on your phone, you're going to end up with 2.19 something, something, something. Divide that by 4, and our answer ends up to be approximately 0.5493, something along those lines. Why the squiggle? Because it's not perfect. We cut some numbers off when we divided, but we're close enough to there. Okay, let's try it one more time. Again, our variable is up top in the exponent. Let's leave it there. We'll try and bring it down. Start by adding and subtracting. Minus 7, bring everything down. Divide by that 4. E to the negative x equals, and we're going to simplify the fraction as 5 over 2. In order to bring this negative x down, the inverse of this e, we're going to say natural log. They cancel out. But if I do it to one side, got to do it to the other side. We're left with negative x equals ln of 5 over 2. Okay. X is not alone, though. We have that negative out there. So that just means, let's go one more step. Divide everything by negative 1. X equals this thing. So again, natural log of 5 over 2, or 2.5. Punch that into your calculator, you end up with something along the lines of 0.9163, something along those lines, divided by negative 1, and then we say x is about negative 0.9163. Why about? Again, that decimal goes on forever. We cut some of it off. And that is solving equations with base E.